126 species in genus Tabernaemontana. The enchanting world of Tabernaemontana, a personal journey. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the intricate beauty and diversity of the natural world. Among my many botanical fascinations, the genus Tabernaemontana holds a special place in my heart. These evergreen shrubs and small trees, belonging to the Apocynaceae family, boast a captivating blend of elegance and resilience. With their glossy leaves, fragrant flowers, and intriguing ethnobotanical history, they've captivated plant enthusiasts and researchers alike for centuries. A pantropical treasure trove, Tabernaemontana is a truly pantropical genus, with species scattered across Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, and various oceanic islands. This wide distribution speaks to their adaptability and resilience, thriving in diverse habitats ranging from humid rainforests to arid savannas. The genus name itself is a tribute to Jacob Theodor von Bergzabern, a renowned German botanist from the 16th century. His Latinized name, Tabernaemontanus, meaning tavern in the mountains, adds a touch of quaintness to this remarkable group of plants. Delicate blooms and milky sap. One of the most striking features of Tabernaemontana is their exquisite flowers. These blossoms, often white and sometimes tinged with yellow or pink, exude a sweet fragrance that intensifies in the evening, attracting nocturnal pollinators like moths and bats. The delicate petals, arranged in a pinwheel-like fashion, add to their allure. The leaves, too, are noteworthy. They are typically opposite, elliptical, and glossy, with prominent veins running through them. When broken, they release a milky sap, a characteristic feature of many plants in the Apocynaceae family. This sap, while potentially toxic if ingested, has been traditionally used for medicinal purposes in some cultures. A diverse genus. The genus Tabernaemontana is remarkably diverse, with over 100 recognized species. Some of the most notable ones include Tabernaemontana divaricata, commonly known as the pinwheel flower or crepe jasmine. This species is widely cultivated for its ornamental value. Its pure white, pinwheel-shaped flowers and glossy dark green leaves make it a popular choice for gardens and hedges. Plant FAQs. Tabernaemontana divaricata, pinwheel flower. Tabernaemontana elegans. Native to Africa, this species is a small tree with fragrant white flowers and orange fruits. It's often used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. Tabernaemontana sananho, found in South America, this species is known for its psychoactive properties. It has been used by indigenous communities for ceremonial and medicinal purposes. Tabernaemontana pandakaki, this species, native to Southeast Asia, is a shrub with white, fragrant flowers and red fruits. It has been used in traditional medicine to treat fever, diarrhea, and skin diseases. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ethnobotanical significance. Tabernaemontana has a rich ethnobotanical history, with various species being used for medicinal and ceremonial purposes by indigenous communities across the globe. The milky sap, bark, leaves, and roots have been employed in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of ailments, including fever, pain, inflammation, and skin diseases. However, it's crucial to note that many Tabernaemontana species contain potent alkaloids that can be toxic if ingested improperly. Therefore, it's essential to exercise caution and consult with qualified healthcare professionals before using any part of these plants for medicinal purposes. Conservation concerns. Despite their adaptability, some Tabernaemontana species are facing threats due to habitat loss and overexploitation. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have led to the decline of their natural populations in certain regions. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating plants. This includes protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and raising awareness about their ecological and cultural significance. A continuing fascination. My journey with Tabernaemontana has been one of continuous learning and discovery. These plants, with their delicate beauty, intriguing ethnobotanical history, and ecological importance, continue to fascinate me. I believe that by understanding and appreciating the diversity of the natural world, we can foster a deeper connection with our planet and contribute to its preservation. In the words of the great naturalist John Muir, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. My exploration of Tabernaemontana has indeed been a rewarding journey, enriching my understanding of the intricate web of life that surrounds us.